Thinking about investing in real estate but not sure where to start? Well, in today's video, we're going to talk about just that. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Aaron Bowman and my team and I have been helping individuals buy, sell, rent, and invest all across Connecticut. So if you're thinking of doing any of that or would like to have that conversation, make sure you reach out to us. All of our contact information is down below. Now, like I said, we are talking real estate investing today. That is the topic. And this can be a very broad and deep topic. So I'm going to keep it kind of generalized. And you can get started in real estate investing from, buying a course on late night television from Carlton Sheets.
Hello, I'm Carlton Sheets.
I don't even know if he still has those anymore, or joining your local real estate investment group. So one of the first ways you can get started, investing in real estate is through REITs or real estate investment trusts. And think of it as kind of like a stock. You're basically buying stock in this investment company that either builds shopping complexes or maybe they build hospitals. It really depends, and you want to make sure you look into each company that you're looking at. And by no means is this financial advice. Just got to throw that disclaimer out there. But you can buy these REITs for very little money, sometimes a couple bucks, right through Robinhood. If you use that for investing or any of those other type of investing apps, you can actually look up real estate investment trusts and look at all the different trusts that are out there that you can park your money in. And I've bought in some for as low as $2, which was kind of cool, and then watch them go up and down and stuff like that. So that's one of the first ways if you wanted to get into it without getting your hands technically really dirty or having to turn a wrench or hammer a nail. Now, outside of that, you have commercial investing. Now, commercial real estate investing you can think of as like shopping malls, strip malls, anything where you're going to have a building and lease it out to other businesses. So that takes a lot more capital and might not be the spot you want to start as a new investor. Now, most people get started off in investing in either single family homes or multifamily. Now, let's tackle multifamilies first because I get a lot of questions about that. With multifamily homes, anything over 4 units is considered commercial. So if you're 5 units and up, basically you're going to need commercial lending. 4 units and under, you can use conventional. And what I mean by that is your FHA, your VA, your USDA, and your conventional type loans. Now, I get asked this question a lot. How can I buy a multifamily home using an FHA loan, especially, with FHA or VA or any of those types of government loans where you're required, to live in the home? Well, it's simple. You're just going to buy that home and live in one of the units. So I have a lot of clients that have bought multifamilies. They live in one half, they rent the other out. And with that rent coming in, it almost pays for the majority of the loan on the house or the mortgage payment, which is a great way to start building some equity and then some income along with building your portfolio. So you can get into the house, you can do some renovation work, you can rent it out. If you wanted to, you could use something that's called a 203K loan through FHA, which basically allows you to buy the property. Again, you still have to live in it, but it gives you the money to fix it up and renovate the home. So just think, if you bought a 3-family home, you could live on the first floor and rent out the second and third floor and make enough to cover your monthly mortgage payment. And then anything you made from your 9-to-5 job could just go into savings. Now, speaking from personal experience, a partner and I had a multifamily in the town of Manchester. We bought it through HUD, so it was a foreclosed home. We did some renovation work to it. We rented out for a few years with absolutely no issues. There was a few things here, and just keep that in mind when you have multifamilies or rentals in general. You're going to have to deal with what they call tenant and toilets at some point in time. However, the reason why I don't have any more rentals right now is because my last tenants burnt the place down, and it was just more stress than I needed at that point in time, especially, I was newer to real estate and, building my business. So that being said, there are some downsides. It's not all sunshine and rainbows.
Sunshine, lollipop.
You are going to have to deal with tenants and toilets. Things are going to break. People don't take care of your property as if you were living there. So just keep that in mind. Now, another thing people invest in are single family homes. And with that, there's a couple different things you can do. You can rent it out just like you would a, traditional multifamily home. So you could rent out the whole house to somebody. The problem is you can't use an FHA or VA loan for that because you're not going to be living there. Now, if you're going to be living there and renting out the rooms or Airbnb being one of the rooms, you could do that. But on average, you're going to have to buy it with some type of conventional financing or a lender that deals with the fix and flips. Now, we've all seen those shows on HGTV or the DIY network, and these people buy these homes and they fix them up and they sell them for a profit. That's absolutely doable. People do it every day. However, trust me, it is not like what you see on TV. They have large crews that come in. They have a bunch of people helping out. Now, I do have one realtor on my team that does a lot of fix and flips. His name is Nick Ackers. If you call the number in the description, it'll ring all of our phones on the team. Just ask for Nick and he'll be able to answer any questions or point you in the direction of finding your first fix and flip. Now, that being said, those are some of the basic ways of getting into real estate investing. And like I said, this can be a very broad and very deep topic. So if you have certain questions on certain aspects, whether it's wholesaling, which is a whole nother ball of wax in itself, and basically you're just assigning contracts, or maybe you want to do so many fix and flips per year, but you don't know where to start, you don't have a contractor, reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to put you in contact with our contractors and local businesses that we do business with on a regular basis. So whether you need an electrician, a general contractor, an attorney, maybe even somebody for lending, we can help with all that. So make sure you reach out to us. Again, all of our contact information is down below. Hopefully you found this video somewhat informative. I tried to keep it pretty generic because there's so many different rabbit holes you can go down when it comes to investing. But I would definitely say if you're in the Connecticut area, Connecticut does have a really good investment group of people that get together. They talk about real estate investing, and that's cie REIA. I'll put their link down below. You can check out their website. Consider joining if you want. But thanks again for watching. And as always, please like, subscribe, share, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.